Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to post a posting on Craigslist to be able to sell something and be able to get your pictures that you took on your phone, particularly an iPhone. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is open up a browser and go to Craigslist.com. Once you're there, you want to click on the My Account link and sign in with your Craigslist email and password. Log in with that. Then once you want to do that, we want to create a new posting right here. So we're going to say new posting. I happen to be in Detroit. You may be in some other city. Choose the one you want and go. And because I live in a metro area, it asks me what county I want. You may not be asked that. So I chose for sale by owner. And now I want to, what I have to sell is actually some pro audio equipment, so I'm going to select musical instruments. Now I have over here already what I want to put in here for the sake of this so that it doesn't take so long. Put our postal code in there, and then we'll get up there, get our body that I already wrote out in ahead of time. Of course, you want to be descriptive here of what you are going to do. And here it is a Mackie. Alright, and then I'm going to get this from over here as well. So, I am okay with people contacting me by text, so I'm going to put that in. And there's my phone number. They can also send me an email if they wish. I don't like to fill this in because then it will actually show exactly where my house is. If that's what you want, then go ahead and fill that out. I'm going to say continue. And this is where it's going to be. So I say continue. Now I want to add some images. Now in the previous video I showed you how to set up iCloud on your Windows phone so that any pictures that you take on your phone will just appear on your computer, and that's what I've done here. If you still need to do that, the link will be in the show notes here in the description, so go ahead and go there and do that. So what we want to do here is we want to go over here. There is called iCloud Drive. Actually, I should have iCloud Pictures. Where are my iCloud Pictures? Well, that's new. Anyway, so this iCloud Drive is actually incorrect. There it is, iCloud Photos. There. It just took a little while. We go to Downloads, and we see that we have a bunch of new pictures in here. So I'm going to select those, and let's see, I think I want this one. Looks like my cover picture, but I would also like to have this one, and this one, and this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. You can select them one at a time if you wish. So these are going to upload all these photos. soon as we're done with all them. So we're done. There we go. Here is my, this is an unpublished draft. You have to publish it in order for it to go live. So I just want to check out that everything is good. It's good. I want to publish. Now, you will receive this email, and you can go back to your email to check it out. So the thing is here, I'm sorry I forgot this, is that you actually do need to go to your emails. Go to your emails, and until you get this guy, until you do it, click on it. Now it's going live. There we go. So you're, there it is. So once again, if I go back here and I go to my account, then now I'll see that I have both of these on here, right? Alright, so that is how you do it. Once again, if you need to install the iCloud on your computer so that you can see all your photos on your computer, you need to do that. And once again, let's do this. I just want to show you one more time that if you wish to edit the images, and let's say I want to add images, I'm going to go here. Anyway, it's under Pictures and iCloud Photos. That's where you want to go. Pictures, iCloud Photos. That's where you want to go. You go to Pictures, iCloud Photos. And Downloads. There you are. Pictures, iCloud Photos, Downloads. That's where all your stuff is. All right? Great. That is how you post something to Craigslist.